guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rupali and I hope you all are doing really great. So आज मैं बहुत दिनों के बाद एक नायका हॉल वीडियो करने वाली हूँ. सो नायका का कुछ दिन पहले कुछ सेल चल रहा था, समर सेल चल रहा था, एंड आई गॉट अ लॉट ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स ड्यूरिंग दैट सेल. सो ये जो वीडियो है ये मैं दो पार्ट में डिवाइड करने वाली हूँ बिकॉज देयर आर लॉट ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स एंड आई डोंट वांट टू रश. सो या, लेट्स गेट दिस स्टार्टेड. बट बिफोर मूविंग ऑन टू द वीडियो, अगर आपने अभी तक मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, प्लीज प्रेस द सब्सक्राइब बटन एंड ऑल्सो प्रेस द नोटिफिकेशन टैब just right next to it, and also like this video. And now let's just move into the video. So this is a box full of products that I got for you guys today, and और भी कई सारा boxes था जो मैंने फेंक दिया है of course. So the first product that I got is a skincare product and it's from the brand Nykaa. It's a Nykaa Wonderlust Hawaiian Jasmine Body Lotion. So I know it's summer time, but मुझे ना मेरा skin बहुत dry हो जाता है summers में भी. So I need a light moisturizer. So I think this is perfect for that. This smells awesome. They have a lot of variants, but I like this one, Hawaiian Jasmine. This is called, and yeah, this comes with a pump dispenser, which makes it very hygienic to use. And yeah, this is the first product. Also, the price of this product was $450, but I got it for $338 only. The next two products are clay mask, and these are again from the brand Nykaa. So there are a lot of variants in the clay mask section, and you can select according to your skin type. And I think I got this because I have a medium to oily skin. So the first one is Daily Detox Clay Mask. I think this is a must have for summertime. This one is a charcoal based mask and you can use it daily, and this, you know, this clears out your pores and it clears the excess oil and all that stuff, and this is a must have, you know. And the next one that I have is the Perfect Glow Clay Mask, and this is again a clay mask, but this is for you know, special occasions. You cannot use it daily. So again, I have tried and tested this out, and I can say that these products are really awesome. The clay masks are really awesome, and make sure you give it a try. If you want a review, just comment down below. I will be happy to make a review for you guys. Both the products, the price of both the products were $5.99, but I got them for $4.49, I guess. The next product that I have is a necessity for all the girls out there, and yeah, these are tampons. So this is from the brand OB, and this is for regular flow. This comes in a box of 20 packets, 20 tampons, and the price of this one was $230, I guess. The MRP is $230, but I got it for $207, so which is a good deal. I have shifted from sanitary napkins to tampons since a long time, but I have tried and tested many brands of tampons, but last में मैं यही वाले में shift कर जाती हूँ. This is a must try for every girls out there who wants to shift from sanitary napkins to tampons. Next, again a skincare product. I think ये वाला part 1 haul में I have mostly skincare products only. Let's see. So the next two products are again from the brand Nykaa, and this time these are sleeping mask. I have got lots and lots of masks. Summers में I need skincare a lot. So yeah, these are the two masks, and again Nykaa का बहुत सारा variants है masks का. You can actually select according to your skin type. So this is the rice water and vitamin C mask. We all know the benefits of rice water and vitamin C. So rice water helps to reduce the dark patches in our skin, and vitamin C also, you know, helps to reduce the dark patches, boosts up our collagen, and reduces the appearance of wrinkles and all that. मेरे स्किन पे थोड़ा सा पिगमेंटेशन होता है ये वाला जगह पे, सो आई विल बी श्योरली ट्राइंग दिस आउट एंड लेटिंग यू नो. अगेन आपको रिव्यू चाहिए तो प्लीज कमेंट डाउन बिलो. एंड द नेक्स्ट वन दैट आई हैव इज टी ट्री एंड एलोवेरा का स्लीपिंग मास्क. आई लव स्लीपिंग मास्क बिकॉज इन द मॉर्निंग व्हेन यू वेक अप आफ्टर अप्लाइंग दिस, लाइक द नाइट you apply this and morning when you wake up, no, your skin plumps up and you feel that your skin has become a lot more healthier. So again, aloe vera तो हम सब लोग जानते हैं, it moisturizes and hydrates our skin, and tea tree helps to reduce the, you know, inflammations of our skin. So yeah, this is again very good for my skin because I get inflammation sometimes. Yeah. So this products costed 175 rupees, but got them for 149 each, which is again a good deal. Next मैंने खरीदा है एक moisturizer. It's a water gel based moisturizer, and this is from the brand Neutrogena. So this is a Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel Moisturizer, and I have not tried this, so I'm not able to tell how this works, but water gel wala moisturizer generally suits my skin. So yeah, let me try this and let you know. If you are not following me on Instagram, please do follow me. I'll put the handle down here, so I will be reviewing this there for sure. The price of this one was $370, and I think there was no sale on this, but ठीक है, mini वाला version है. I just want to try, and if it doesn't suit my skin, let's see. The next few products are for my hair. Summers में मेरा hair बहुत ख़राब हो जाता है. I get lots of split ends and other hair issues. So मैं थोड़ा सा चंपी कर लेती हूँ कभी-कभी. So for that I got L'Oreal Extraordinary Oil. So this is El Sebi. I hope I pronounced it correct. Extraordinary Oil, and this is a very lightweight oil. I have not used it much. I have used it once or twice only, and I really love this product. I got a mini version because मैं ज़्यादातर चंपी नहीं करती हूँ. So if once you apply this on your scalp and your lens, you don't feel चिपचिपा वाला जो हर मतलब होता है ना ऑयल का, वो वाला आप नहीं फील करोगे. This is very nice. If you don't like that चिपचिपा feeling of oil, go for this, girls. So the price of this was $2.99 and I got it for $2.54 I think. Next जो hair care product है वो भी L'Oreal का है, and this is a new product I guess. So this is a L'Oreal Dream Length No Haircut Cream, and oh my god, what to tell you about this. I have been loving it since the time I have been using it. I'm using it almost regularly. Shampoo के बाद, conditioning के बाद, after like when your hair is wet, you can just apply, take it in your palm and just apply it in your lens. Fragrance तो मस्त है इसका, and also the hair, it feels so good. And trust me guys, I haven't seen split ends since. I'm using it almost regularly. I'm using it on dry hair also. बहुत ज़्यादा absorb कर लेता है hair इसको. मेरा बहुत ज़्यादा dry hair है, बहुत ज़्यादा split ends का problem था. This has solved it here, you guys. So the price of this bottle was $4.99 and I got it for $4.74. So then I got this dry shampoo. This is the first time I'm using a dry shampoo. So this is a Batiste dry shampoo. I got a mini bottle because I don't know how to use it and how good it will be. So मैं first time मैंने जब use किया था, white वाला एक cast हो गया था मेरे hair पे, and then it went off eventually. But ज़्यादा कुछ फ़र्क उतना नहीं पड़ा है. But I don't know, maybe I am using it the wrong way. Let me see. I will just use it and tell you guys. इसका price था कुछ $332 and I am yet to love this product. I am not sure if I like this product or not. Next जो स्किन केयर का प्रोडक्ट है वो है फ्रॉम द ब्रांड O3+, and I love O3+ का products. They perform very well in my skin. So this time I got the Sea White Facial Brightening Single Use Kit with Peel Off Mask. So lockdown में obviously I cannot go out and do facials and stuffs, and I love this type of peel off masks. So I have not given this a shot. Let me give this a shot and tell you guys. If you want a review, just comment down below. I will do it. I'll be doing it. This has 4 steps of facials, and I'm yet to try, so I cannot comment yet now. So the price of this one was $455 and I got it for $410. So ज़्यादा कुछ सेल नहीं मिला, but fine, one time use के लिए $455, $410, whatever it is, facial के लिए you can spend that much, है ना? So the last few products are makeup products finally. So now I got Maybelline Fit Me का Matte Plus Poreless this thing compact, and my shade is 128 Warm Nude. So let me just open and show you guys. This is a very budget friendly compact. I carry it in my pouch whenever I go out. So मेरा एक Lakme का Absolute का एक compact था जो टूट गया recently. So I got this because थोड़ा सा expensive compact अगर आप बैग में लेके घूमते हो and टूट जाता है तो बहुत लगता है दिल पे guys. So I got this one and this is perfect for my skin tone. So अगर आप मेरे skin tone पे हो, please go for Warm Nude. And yeah, this is how it looks. It has a mirror inside like this. So the price of this one was $199, but I got it for $175 or something like that. And now we are almost at the end of the haul, and the last product that I'm going to show you guys is the star of the haul. So this is the MAC foundation and MAC Studio Fix Fluid SPF 15 वाला जो foundation आता है. This is not the star, like I'll tell you guys. So कुछ offer चल रहा था जिसमें if you buy this foundation, I emptied my bottle. The last bottle I emptied it totally. So if you buy this bottle, you get free goodies. So the free goodies are MAC का एक full size lipstick, you guys. You have lots and lots of shades to try, like to select from, and I got this Retro Matte Liquid Lip Color in the shade Carnivorous. This shade is too good, you guys. So and the other goodie with this I got is a MAC Prep Plus Prime Fix. This is a small chotu sa bottle that I got, but I loved it. So yeah, this is MAC Fix का तो मतलब कुछ बोलो ही मत. It's just awesome. So my shade for the MAC Studio Fix Fluid is NC40 and अगर आप again मेरे skin tone पे हो ये वाला shade ज़रूर try करना. But when you're trying out a little costly product like this, I think it's better to go and check your shade out in a store. But अभी तो lockdown है, पता नहीं कैसे होगा. The price of this one is 2,900 and with this I got 2 goodies. So really happy, guys. So yeah, with this we come to the end of the haul. The part 2 of the haul will be out very soon and I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to put a big fat thumbs up. Also to subscribe to my channel if you still have not, and also press the notification bell just right next to it. And I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care, stay home, stay safe.